Hello. Today I will show you 6 tips to make your life with Nova Launcher easier. For more tips and videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Tip number 1. Quickly add apps to home screen. Sometimes you want to add multiple apps to home screen. Drag and dropping them one by one can take some time, so here's a quick tip how to speed up this process. Long press on the home screen. Under Widgets, find Nova 7, and then Apps and Folders. Long press on it, and drag and drop it to a home screen. Now you can simply select which apps you want to add. When you finish selecting, click Add, or Create Folder at the bottom. By tapping on Create Folder, all apps will be put into one folder, otherwise they will be added as individual icons. Tip number 2. Hide notification bar. If you like minimalist home screen setups, you should consider using this tip, as it will hide notification bar. Open Nova Launcher's settings and then go to Look and Feel. Here you need to toggle Show Notification Bar. Even though notification bar will not be visible in your home screens, you can always make a swipe down gesture from the top to show the notification bar. It will automatically be hidden again in a couple of seconds. Tip number 3. Automatically add new apps to home screen. If you enable this feature, each time when you install new app, its icon will be added to the home screen. If you disable this feature, new app icons won't be added to home screens and you will have to manually drag them from app drawer to the home screen. To enable this functionality, again you need to open Settings. Then click on Home Screen. Scroll down and toggle Add Icons to Home Screen. Now, when you install new app, its icon will be added to the home screen automatically. Tip number 4. Reset Nova Launcher. As Nova Launcher gives you huge amount of customizations, you can easily change wrong setting and later not know how to fix it. With Reset to Default, you can quickly reset entire Nova Launcher to default settings. In order to reset Nova Launcher, go to Settings and tap on Backup and Restore. Then you need to tap on Reset to Default. Now that I have reset Nova Launcher to default, we will use previously created backup, as I don't want to customize everything from beginning. Tip number 5. Backup your configuration. Nova Launcher lets you create backup of your settings and icons and widgets placement. If you want to switch to new device or want the same layout on another device, you can restore your backup. In order to create backup, go to Settings, and tap on Backup and Restore. Here you can perform backup or restore your already created backup. Tip number 6. Hide apps from app drawer. Sometimes you don't want some of your apps to show in app drawer. There is a simple way to accomplish this. Go to Nova Launcher Settings, and tap on App Drawer. Now click on Hide Apps. Here you can select which apps you want to hide from app drawer. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon, so you get notified about new videos.